Gone are the days when IITs meant an engineering degree. The IITs today are building a strong and rich knowledge base in subjects of humanities, commerce, management, and social sciences. The focus of this video is to empower you with in-depth, accurate knowledge about PhD in humanities and social sciences from IIT Madras. In one of our previous videos, we have shared some important facts about PhD from IIT Madras. So if you want an overall understanding about the PhD from IIT Madras, then you can watch this video. Link of this is shared in the I above and in the description below. In case you are a humanities and a social science student, then keep watching this video. This video is divided into 3 sections. Section 1 talks about the subjects being offered by IIT Madras under the humanities and social sciences. Section 2, we are going to talk about the eligibility to pursue a PhD in humanities and social sciences from IIT Madras. In section 3, we talk about the process to apply in humanities and social sciences from IIT Madras. So let's start with section 1. But before that, if you haven't till now, then please do subscribe to my channel. So in section 1, as I've said, we talk about the subjects offered by IIT Madras under the humanities and social sciences. Here are the list of these subjects which are offered under this department. Number 1, we have advertising, agriculture policy at number 2, followed by African American English Indian literature, followed by discourse analysis, ELT, economics and econometrics, German studies, healthcare, modern Indian history, history of sciences, technology and medicine, international relations, linguistics, philosophy, policy studies, science, sociology, theatre, film and media studies, technology and development, and science and technology education. The list of the subjects in which PhD is offered by the Humanities and Social Sciences Department has been taken from the department website, the link of which is shared below. Let's move on to our second section where we discuss the eligibility to pursue a PhD in Humanities and Social Sciences from IIT Madras. So in IIT Humanities and Social Sciences Department, you can apply both as a full-time scholar and as a part-time scholar. To apply in the department for PhD, you require, whether as a full-time or a part-time scholar, you require a master's degree or equivalent with a minimum of 55% aggregate marks or 6.0 CGPA on a 10-point scale in humanities and social sciences and its allied subjects, disciplines. Students with masters in engineering and technology can also apply. However, remember, you should have a justified reason to move from technology to humanities and definitely some kind of experience too. In addition to the above qualification, if you are planning to apply for full-time PhD, you will be required to have qualified some kind of eligibility exam like a GATE or GRE or UGC NET. If applying for a part-time PhD, you require, in lieu of this eligibility exam, at least 2 years of experience. Moving on to our section 3, the process to apply in humanities and social sciences. So the very first step will be keep all your documents like your SOP, your research proposal, your degrees, your certificates, work experience certificate, etc. ready. Step 2 will be check when the applications are opening. Good news for all of you watching this video. The IIT Madras applications for January 2025 are already open. So if you're interested and eligible, then you can apply now. Step 3, if you're shortlisted, you will be called either for an interview or you will be called for a test and an interview. If, however, you are a post-graduation student who had done his post-graduation 10 years prior to the date of application, you will most likely be called for a department test and an interview. If all goes well, then you will be selected to do a PhD from IIT Madras. All on what other institutes and programs shall I create videos for you? Let me know in the comment section below. You can also follow us on our Instagram or connect with me on my LinkedIn page. I will meet you again next week with more genuine research information. Till then, happy learning.